Hey, if you need more organization in your shower, check out this wire rack that I have here. This thing is great. It has 2 suction cups. You just put them right up here, give it a little push, and then you just turn the knob clockwise like this, and it keeps it in place. This little section right here, you can easily fit a bar of soap. And just to show you here, this is like brand new, a large bottle here. You can see this one's pretty full. It really holds a decent amount of weight. Just like that. There's another additional shelf portion right here. There's a place where you can hang your razor. You can hang your loofahs on there, and even can hang a nice washcloth. So if you're looking for something to help organize your shower, I really like this rack. Keeps everything very nice and neat. You can see it works here on glass very well. Yes, and if you're wondering if it works on your standard tub, you can see here it works very great as well.